Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to use AdsPower. It's a pretty good anti-detect browser which actually comes with a free plan for up to 2 profiles, so it gives you an affordable option to just try it out and you can see if it's the right software for your business. All you need to do is go to their website and download the software, make an account, and you can get started in less than 5 minutes. So after you've already downloaded the software and you have made an account, all you need to do is click on the new profile button. Okay, so let's make this a bit larger. So here you can name your profile, let's say ProxyEmpire tutorial. And then you can add tags to it. It's similar to multi-login's group feature. So you can search by tags or groups. And here they have their 2 browsers, the Sun browser, which is based on the Chromium engine, and Flower browser, which is based on Firefox. And then you can select the operational system that you want to emulate. It's very important, not just with AdsPower, but with all anti-detect browsers, to always use the same operational system as your personal OS. For example, I'm using a Windows computer, so I'll be using Windows. And the reason for that is no matter how good anti-detect browsers get, there is still some things that may leak or may not look 100% natural. So if you're using a Windows machine, make sure you make a profile with Windows OS. If you're using a Mac, make sure you use Mac to ensure that everything is getting set up properly. So for the browser version, I would recommend using the latest one, obviously, because it doesn't really make sense for websites when you're using an outdated browser version, especially since they update automatically. It gives you the option to automatically import a cookie, and you can also add some notes. You can generate a new fingerprint by clicking the button here. And in this tab you can add your proxies. They support pretty much any protocol out there: SSH, HTTPS, HTTP, SOX5, and they also have some ready-made integrations for Oxylabs and Illuminati. So for the purposes of this tutorial, we'll be going with HTTP or SOX5. So once you select the protocol, go to your favorite proxy provider and just copy paste your information. In this case, we'll be using ProxyEmpire. So just go to ProxyEmpire, and I'm gonna grab a proxy from the United States. So what I need to do is copy and then paste this right here, and everything gets automatically populated. And as we can see, we got a proxy from the US, from California, from the city called Mission Viejo, something like that. And then you can also select the account platform. This just makes it easier, so it can open a specific website once you launch the profile. And then there's some advanced settings where you can edit the user agent, fill the time zone based on the IP, and so on. I don't recommend touching the advanced settings unless you actually know what you're doing, because you can make some mistakes which will make your profile look bad. Okay, so just click the OK button and then you open it. Once the profile is opened, you can see that they have this starting page where it shows you the account ID and so on, the proxy type, the location, user agent, and so on. We can go to whoer.net just to see if everything looks fine and nothing is leaking. And we can see that there's no proxy detector or anonymizer, so we should be good to go. Happy browsing.